Imagine a world where AI doesn't just help doctors but might actually outsmart them at detecting cancer. Is this the start of a sci-fi revolution in medicine, or will radiologists still be the ones in charge, sipping their coffee and saving lives? Today, we'll explore how AI is transforming cancer detection, going far beyond radiology, and whether radiologists are at risk of being replaced. Welcome to Tech Med Talks. Today, we'll uncover the latest advancements in AI for cancer detection and tackle a provocative question: will radiologists be replaced by AI? By the end of this video, you'll know the truth, and it might surprise you. Stick around. Artificial intelligence has been making headlines for its ability to detect cancers earlier and more accurately than traditional methods. A groundbreaking study in the Lancet Digital Health revealed that AI systems could diagnose breast cancer with an accuracy of 94.5%, sometimes outperforming human radiologists. But AI doesn't stop at radiology. Researchers are now combining AI with genomics, pathology, and even wearable health devices to create a holistic picture of a patient's health. Imagine catching cancer before the first symptoms even appear. One fascinating example comes from Google Health, whose AI model detected breast cancer with fewer false positives than human radiologists in a 2020 study. And just last year, MIT researchers unveiled an AI capable of predicting cancer risk up to 5 years in advance using mammograms. So, here's the big question: will radiologists become obsolete? According to Dr. Melissa Davis, Chief of Emergency Radiology at Yale, AI isn't here to replace radiologists, it's here to augment their capabilities. Radiologists who embrace AI will not only remain relevant, they'll be indispensable. Let me break that down. AI excels at detecting patterns and analyzing massive amounts of data quickly. For instance, it can highlight areas of concern on a CT scan or flag anomalies in mammograms. But it doesn't have the clinical intuition or the ability to consider patient context like a trained radiologist does. In fact, a 2023 Swedish study revealed that a single radiologist using AI could detect 20% more cancers in mammograms than 2 radiologists working without it. That's teamwork at its best. So, no, AI won't replace radiologists. But radiologists who use AI? They'll replace those who don't. But here's where it gets even more exciting. AI is moving beyond radiology to revolutionize cancer detection in ways we couldn't have imagined. Take IBM Watson for oncology. It uses AI to analyze genetic mutations in cancer cells, recommending targeted therapies based on a patient's unique profile. Meanwhile, AI-powered wearable devices, like smartwatches, are monitoring biomarkers in real time, flagging early warning signs of disease. Of course, no technology is perfect. AI models can still make mistakes, especially when trained on biased or incomplete datasets. And then there's the ethical question: who's accountable if AI gets it wrong? This is where the human touch matters. Radiologists provide the clinical judgment, empathy, and communication skills that machines simply can't replicate. So, what's the verdict? AI is transforming cancer detection and redefining what's possible in medicine. But rather than replacing radiologists, it's empowering them to be faster, more accurate, and more effective. The future isn't about man versus machine, it's about man and machine working together to save lives, and this is just the beginning. If you're as fascinated by the future of medicine as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. In my next video, we'll dive into how robotics is revolutionizing surgical operations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Tech Med Talks.